Isaiah 40 verse 31, But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Lamentations 3 verse 25, The Lord is good to those who wait for him, to the soul who seeks him. Psalm 27 verse 14, Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Micah 7 verse 7, But as for me, I watch and hope for the Lord. I wait for God my Savior. My God will hear me. Romans 8 verse 25, But if we hope for what we do not yet have, we wait for it patiently. Psalm 130 verse 5, I wait for the Lord, my whole being waits, and in his word I put my hope. Habakkuk 2 verse 3, For the revelation awaits an appointed time, it speaks of the end and will not prove false. Though it linger, wait for it, it will certainly come and will not delay. James 5 verse 7, Be patient, then, brothers and sisters, until the Lord's coming. See how the farmer waits for the land to yield its valuable crop, patiently waiting for the autumn and spring rains. Psalm 37 verse 7, Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for him. Do not fret when people succeed in their ways, when they carry out their wicked schemes. Isaiah 30 verse 18, Yet the Lord longs to be gracious to you, therefore he will rise up to show you compassion. For the Lord is a God of justice. Blessed are all who wait for him. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.